Welcome back, guys. In this new video I will be showing you how to hatch the fully assembled component here. In a previous video I showed you how to draw the different pieces and assemble them together, but for this video I'll be taking it one step further. The first thing to do here is to turn off my dimension layer, and to do that I'm going up to the left, click on layers, then go down to dimension, click on the light bulb here. That turns it off. My next step is to make a copy of this. So I left click here, then left click down here, type CO for copy, enter, click here, drop that there, escape. That is now copied. I want to move it over a little bit more. That is that. Yeah. My next step now, this is now sectional. The cutting plane will be taken from here. We will be cutting this through the center of this, through this hole, and all the way down. In like manner, here we'll cut along the center as well. Also the shaft will be cut along here. Now, based on the sectioning rule, we would have established that we do not section web. And here is a web. Here is a web. As on the drawing, it serves as a reinforcement. It supports the block, so we do not section web. We do not section holes or cutout, which means that we do not section this space right here, either this space. We also do not section shaft, so this will not be sectioned. This will be produced in a two-dimensional view. So with those three rules, or the fourth rule also states that we do not section nuts or bolts, but we do section shaft. Here I need to offset this to produce it, to generate the thickness for the thread. So O for offset, enter, enter. Left click here, left click there. That's now done. So my next step now is to change these to outline, because they are no longer hidden detail. We now cut through these. So I need to select these and change these to outline. Or let's use match property, MA for match property, enter. Left click here, left click drag, left click drag, click on this, and that is basically done. That's now done. That part is done. So now remember, we do not section, so this has to go because we cut through here, so this piece has to go. TR, enter, enter. Left click here, drag, left click, drag, click here, click there. That edge is now gone. We don't see that. So this is the shaft as is in its natural state. So this is the shaft with the threaded section. I'll be using match property, MA, enter, to change this from that color to the standard color that we want. That is now done. That's now done. It's now time for me to hatch. So I'll be going to my hatch layer, and I'll be using this as my hatch layer. I then go up to hatch, choose this, ANS 131, and click into the space right there for that. That is also that. That's also that. So all of that piece here is one component right there. So that is hatched in one direction. Now I'm going to reactivate hatch, click this. Now I'm changing the angle from that to 0, 0, enter. And I'm clicking this space right here. Note that I have changed the direction of hatch. Yeah, so note carefully. I've changed the direction, and I will also be changing the scale. So I'm increasing the scale to 2, or let it be 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, enter. So notice that I use a small, a closer scale than the other one. Yeah. So this has been hatched, that has been hatched, and I think that's what there is to it. It's only two components. Remember, we do not section nuts, bolts, or shaft. Neither do we section rivet. And we don't section open space. Yeah. So this is that. And just that we have the sectional elevation for that. Nice and easy. Yep.